Alright, let's look at this problem. So it reads, a boat's sail is in the shape of the right triangle as shown. The hypotenuse is 17 feet long. The length of one side is 7 feet less than the length of the other. Find the length of the side of the sail. So this is a right triangle, so this means that this angle right here is 90 degrees. And the side of the triangle opposite, this is called the hypotenuse. Right? And the ones next to it are called the legs. Right? It doesn't say the legs. But in a right triangle, a formula that you can use is the Pythagorean theorem. Which says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the a and the b are the legs. This is like a and this is b. And the c is always the hypotenuse. Right? So this is our basis for this problem. We got to plug in what we know in here and then solve it. Okay, so a is x, so this gives me x squared. B is x minus 7, so I'm going to put that in parentheses and square it. And c is 17, so I'm going to take 17 squared. Alright, so this is our equation. Now we need to expand this out. So we have x squared plus x minus 7 times x minus 7 equals 17 squared, which is 289. We have x squared plus x squared minus 7x minus 7x plus 49 equals 289. We're going to collect like terms, so these together and these together. And also subtract the 289. We got to do that anyway. Alright, so we have 2x squared minus 14x minus 240 equals to 0. Alright, let's factor out the 2 because that comes out of everything. X squared minus 7x minus 120. Alright, and to do this is x times x. And we need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 120 and adds up to give me 7. Okay? So 120 is 12 times 10. That's not going to work. Let's see, 120 divided by 8. 16 and 8? No, that's not right. 15 and 8. Yeah, 15 and 8. So 15 minus 8. So plus 15 minus 8. Alright, so let's see what solutions I get for this. So two solutions, x equals negative 15. Which does not make sense because you get a negative length. And the other option comes from here, x equals 8. And this one makes sense. Right? Let's see if we got everything we need. Find the lengths of the sides of the sail. Right, so we know this is 8, and that's 17, and this last one, x minus 7, 8 minus 7, this is 1. Okay, so we have, let me draw the triangle. It's a bad scale here. Let me do it again. This needs to be pretty short. We have this, and then we have this. So we have 17 and 8 and 1. And I don't think that makes sense. Let's see. Oh, it's the other way around, isn't it? It's negative, ooh, it's negative 7. Ah, there you go. Getting the signs wrong. So this has to be negative 15 and that has to be 8. Ah, see? Negative sign mistakes. They're the bane of our existence. So this is minus 15 and this is plus 8. So this one does not make sense. x equals -8 does not work out. And this one makes sense. This gives me x equals 15. Alright, so kind of opposite of what I said. And this side here needs to be 15, and this needs to be 15 minus 7, which is 8. Okay, so this is our triangle. 15, 8, and 17. Alright, perfect.